It's Friday. I look crusty. I need a haircut. But we're starting the day off in t-shirt room. I'm the only one who's booked at this time, so we should not be disturbed. It's Friday and I want to do a media change to myself and passage some of them. I plan to do some fixes next week. One last fix, I think. I've got a 15cm plate that I will be passaging onto 5 or 6 15cms today over the weekend. So it should be ready on Monday or Tuesday for fixing. So we're gonna have to come in tomorrow. But I've got the t-shirt hood on and we are going to get started.
Well, I'll be honest, I don't really understand, but I fell down this hill. Now I got glue on my hands and I got records on my fingers. Records on my fingers, I got records on my fingers and I just can't stop. Don't stop. I can't stop, I got a platypus controlling me. I got a platypus controlling me. Now let me sum it up, it was a strange set of circumstances. I fell down the hill, I got glue on my hands. Now I got records on my fingers and I just can't stop. Don't stop, don't stop. Well, I would if I was able. There's a platypus controlling me. He's underneath the table. There's a platypus controlling me. What?
Oh, I get it. Platypus is a metaphor for whatever's keeping you down. Like corporations are a platypus.
The government's a platypus. Your teacher is a platypus.
My teacher is a panda.
Society's a platypus. My parents are a platypus. The media is a platypus. It's all just propaganda. Yeah, we all got a platypus controlling us. Me. We all got a platypus controlling us. We all got a platypus controlling us. Honestly, the platypus controlling me is underneath the table. Wait. Oh, wait, no, he's not. Hey. There's no platypus controlling me. There's no platypus controlling me.
Okay, so this is the 15cm plate that I am going to be passaging onto other, it's like 4 or 5 50cm plates. I'm going to have a look at them. As I showed earlier in the week, you can see that the media is changed color. It's a yellowish color now, and that's because there's so many cells in this plate, on this plate, that have taken up the media. So I'll show you what they look like under the microscope actually.
I got records on my fingers and I just can't stop. Don't stop. I can't stop. I got a platypus controlling me. I got a platypus controlling me. Now let me sum it up. It was a strange set of circumstances. I fell down the hill, I got glue on my hands. Now I got records on my fingers.
Okay, so I've had a 15cm plate in the incubator in Acetaze for a few minutes, and I want to show you what it looks like on the microscope when, as you see, these cells are beginning to lift off, and most of them are now floating. This plate still needs a few more minutes, I think, so that more cells can lift off the plate. But I'll show you what they look like. So you can see that there's cells, like if I shake it a little bit, you see that there's some cells that are jittering off, that are being agitated. So these need a few more minutes for more to come up, and then we can collect them and spin them down. I'm just gonna give it a bit of a tap. Put it back in the incubator. The cells are ready. It's like cooking sometimes. Like, have them in the incubator, the oven. Okay, these look ready.
Oh, I get it. Platypus is a metaphor for whatever's keeping you down. Like corporations are a platypus.
The government's a platypus. Your teacher is a...
So I did that to try and get these cells to single cell suspension. So I'm gonna have a look under the microscope to see whether or not they are single celled. So this is them at single cell. So this is them single celled. This is in a higher magnification, by the way, so you can actually see them in more or less single cell suspension now. So I'm gonna collect this up in PBS and spin them down. So here I have the cells. We're suspending in 30 mils of PBS, and I'm gonna spin these down. Obviously, need to be balanced in the centrifuge. Okay, while the cells are spinning down, I'm gonna get the gelatin plates ready. So I need to, yesterday I actually added gelatin to these plates. So I'm now gonna aspirate that off and add media so that these plates are ready for the cells. I actually have 7 plates with gelatin inside, so this is going to go off. I'm going to add media to this. Okay, so the cells are finished spinning, and if you look, I hope it's clear, there is a pellet at the bottom of this. Bottom is a pellet. All of this is now just liquid, and all the cells are at the bottom. I've decided that I'm going to, from this vial of cells, seed it into 15 centimeter plates, a 10 centimeter plate. I'm going to seed all of those cells into the 15 centimeter plate, a 10 centimeter plate, and a 6 well, because I've got some experiments that I'm thinking I could do with these. So just to have. To show you as well, actually. So these are cells that are just plated, and this is what the color of the media looks like. You can see how it's red. This is like nutrient dense for the cells compared to what you saw earlier when it was more yellow because the cells had used up nutrients in the media. So these are happy cells.
All I